All right, once again, we have a final image, edited, cleaned, whatever, and all the technical work and cleanup work that you want. And now it's time to color grade. Of course, you have lots of options on color grading, but let's say we think, okay, I've got an old warehouse kind of vibe here, very much an autumn sort of warm tone, sort of like, you know, reds and oranges and everything. And I think to myself, that'd be cool. But what if I don't want to find something manually, or I don't want to use like CGX or another tool to explore random color? I want to see if I can get inspired by other images. Well, yes, that is what CMX2 is for, but I want you to consider this little quick hack. All right, check this out. So let's say we go to Google and look what I searched for. I searched for warm autumn color grade. And if you go to the Google images, you scroll and you scroll and you scroll. Now, obviously that's convenient and you know where this is going, but I want to show you another thing too that you may not have considered in terms of efficiency. All right. So if you have the ability to do a screenshot on your computer where you can screenshot a certain specific area, which I'm guessing you do, check this out. We don't have to click on any of these. Let me show you what I mean, okay? So a couple of things we can do. If we like a bunch of stuff on the screen, we can take a screenshot of all of it. See that? Easy. Or we're not sure about all of them. You know, we don't like every single one. We can come down here and be like, I don't know, I'm going to take a screenshot of that. I'm going to take a screenshot of these trees. I'm going to take a screenshot of whatever's happening here in this autumn scene. And here's another one. Someone talking about after color grading. Cool. I'll take that. What about this little muted blue thing? I'll take that as well. Literally anything. I mean, you can, this hair, why not? It's literally anything at all. You can come in and take it. Anything that inspires you, even the sort of muted one here. I don't know. You see, I'm just capturing color grades left and right, and I'm not remotely worried about the resolution. Are these, you know, high-res images or not? We just need a handful of pixels for CMX2 to do its thing. Okay, that's about enough. So let me pop over to Photoshop. We'll get all these screenshots opened and we'll play. All right, so let's start with our screenshot of all the images, or at least a collection of images that we found on Google Images. So we can take any selection tool. I'm going to use the lasso, and I'm going to come in here and be like, okay, these trees are right here. Why not? CMX2 is open. Scan it. There we go. We have that grade. Okay, it's there. It is. What can we do? Well, we can apply it to our image. We can immediately save a preset. Now I'm going to call it trees 01. I'm literally making this up as I go. I think we don't have any new groups. Oh, that's right. I purged this out. We're going to call this autumnal. Create group and save. Bam. Okay, so now we have it there inside autumnal, which is a new group here. There it is. Trees 1. Sweet. All right, now we can go about our business. I'm going to use the marquee tool this time, and I'm going to marquee these leaves on the floor right here. Scan that. Again, I can use it, or I can just save it immediately right back into autumnal. Save. You probably want to test these, but at the same time, if you're just trying to gather some things, cool. So you can just capture certain areas. Now I have 1,000,000 images open here, all my little screenshots. We can take these colorful flowers, I guess. Yeah, boom. Now we have a very strong grade. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to our image. There you go. We've applied it to the image. This is pretty straightforward. If you know CMX2, you know how this works. But let's go to this one now. Cool little image. Let's blend that a little bit. Apply it. Cool. May make it a little stronger. So we have this kind of basic vibe. I like that. Let's go to this purple sky mountain thing. Apply it. Okay, you see where I'm going with this. You see how fast this is, how simple it is to get these cool grades. You don't need super high res images. You still get the essential color grade. That's part of the thumbnail, if you will, right? So there you go. I've applied this one now to it. Oops, wrong buttons there. You can see how beautiful that is. So many choices, but guys, don't forget, just don't forget. You can literally take any photo, a thumbnail, tiny little version of an image, it doesn't matter, and apply it wherever you want. Get inspiration from anywhere. Google image search is the main one. I love that, but don't worry about click, download. Just screenshot the whole dang thing. Screenshot little bitty things, and then when you open them up, you can just start either saving presets, like I said, or exploring color right now. You don't even have to worry, like I said, about visiting websites or downloading images. They can be tiny, and I do mean tiny. We can have images that are 100 pixels wide. As long as they have the color palette you're interested in, CMX2 can extract it, apply it, and let you get inspired.